Welcome to this segment about automating Sentinel integration. Together we will explore different methods available, all of which follow the same concept of infrastructure as a code. With infrastructure as a code, you define your desired state infrastructure in structured format, for example in JSON. Then you can reuse this code in different environments, and each time it will produce the same results. There are many benefits to automate Microsoft Sentinel. I would like to mention just few of them. Firstly, it allows you to test and integrate changes faster. You can have multiple environments, for example, development and production. In the development, you can work on new detection rule, but you don't want to create a bunch of false positives in your production. This way, you will achieve rapid iteration and reduce the risk of errors in the production environment. Secondly, infrastructure as code provides version control, allowing you to track changes, roll back to previous versions, and collaborate effectively with the team members. Another benefit is the simplicity of onboarding process. With predefined templates and automation, you can easily replicate your infrastructure configuration across environments. From my personal experience, some organizations have different tenants ready, and in case of the emergency, for example, they get targeted by the ransomware, they can fail over pretty quickly because everything is defined in the code. Lastly, it's very lucrative for managed service providers. With this approach, you can efficiently deploy updates to detection rules across multiple customers at the same time. Onboarding Sentinel to new customers becomes matters of few hours instead of days or even weeks. There are multiple benefits of having Microsoft Sentinel in the code. And if you don't see the advantages yet, don't worry. As you progress throughout this course, it will make more and more sense to you. By the end, you will be fully proficient with the code and Microsoft Sentinel.